How's it going, everybody? Trucks and Water here, and in today's video, as you saw by the title of the video, I'm gonna give you the reasons why I'm never ever buying black wheels again unless I do two steps. But anyways, you're probably wondering, what the hell, Josh? Why in God's green earth are you not buying black wheels again? They look so good on your truck, which a lot of you say it does look really good on my truck. Yeah, polish would look good too, chrome wheels or whatever, but the black looks pretty damn good on my truck. But here is a few reasons why I will never buy black wheels again. Number one, they show everything. Holy mother of God, they look so damn good when they're clean. When I polish them, you know, shine them up, put some wax on them. But like, look at the rear tire alone. It's already showing some grit and grime, and it's on the rear. It's not like it's the front tire, it's the rear tire. And that's just daily, normal driving. That's not me ripping donuts or anything like that. That's just me driving the truck. And I mean, it shows everything. You go through a little bit of water spots for days. You do anything. That's why I keep spray detail and microfiber towels for days in my toolbox, so I can spray off my wheels. But another reason why is on a polished wheel, like I say, American Forces or any kind of forge wheel, polished forge, whatever you want to call it, if you get a nick or scratch in the wheel, you take it to a guy or polisher, or if you can do it, you get your polisher out and you can polish them out. You even sand it down and polish it. On these, you can't. Like, look at my front wheel. I'm not going to say how this happened. It did not happen by me curbing the wheel at all. But I'm not going to say how it happened, because it might hurt some feelings and people might know what I'm talking about, so I'm not going to say who or what or the place or anything like that. But anyways, if this happened on a polished wheel, which I can get, I got some black touch-up paint. I touch it up. I mean, if you come up close to it, you can tell that it's scratched and kind of chipped. But if you look at it from far, it's not a big deal. But on a polished wheel, that would polish out, no problem. You never even notice it. On a black wheel, you can't do that. That's another reason why I'm never buying black wheels again. One of the last reasons why I'm never buying black wheels again is you can also see on that same wheel over here, if you can kind of look at it, it's dirty right now even though I washed it. See, look at that. That's just from driving like 3 or 4 days after I've cleaned it. But anyways, brake dust. Unfortunately, we didn't have much snow this year, thank God. You since didn't get much snow. But we had so much rain in February, I didn't have a chance to fully clean the truck. I try to clean the wheels the best I can, but working with my crazy schedule of this past job I was at, the hotel job, if y'all know what I'm talking about, and working so many weekends and stuff, I didn't have time to fully detail the wheels and I would spray them off. I would try to spray detail, clean them, just wasn't enough. And so that wheel has a little bit of brake dust embedded now in the paint, so I had to send that wheel off. I mean, when you clean it up and when you wash it, you really can't tell unless you get right up on it. But that's another problem. Or it could be the wheel itself, KMC wheel, just the paint's so crappy. I don't know. Comment down below if you've had issues with KMC wheels, guys. I really want to know your opinion and what you all think. But anyways, that's another reason why is brake dust. You have to constantly clean them. They stay looking good for a few days and then you have to clean them again. But anyways, so that's the reason why I'm not going with a black wheel again. I hate being like that because it looks so daggum good on this truck, especially when I do the front end. But my next set is going to be a forged wheel. That's all I'm going to say. I'm not going to say what brand, what I'm going with probably. That's all I'm going to say. It's going to be a forged wheel. But if I do go black again, it'll be on a forged wheel. If I go color, a color wheel, I'll do one of two things. Number one, invest in some good quality polish and wax and stuff for your wheels. Yeah, the normal synthetic wax I use for my truck works good, but invest in some high quality stuff that'll save your wheels. Number two, the most important thing I'm going to do with my next set of wheels is get them ceramic coated. Guys, ceramic coating is the new auto detailing god that came down to earth, because like it makes everything so much easier to take care of on your truck. This truck, when it goes to paint and body correction, is going to get fully ceramic coated all the way around, head to toe, everything. The undercarriage is going to get Line-X with that body armor. I forgot what they call it, but some kind of, it's a rubbery Line-X looking stuff that coats your whole frame. This whole truck, when it goes into it's going in for good. But the wheels are going to get ceramic coated. It adds about 1/8 of an inch of like a clear coat on this stuff, and I've seen people take a key, scratch their vehicle, and it'll buff it out because it adds that extra layer on top of, you know, your paint, and that saves your paint. And plus, if you all like to buy, sell, and trade wheels, that's the best investment you can do, is do that, because of the sheer fact that they stay looking so good. That's why I'm gonna go with a do next time. Of course, when I get the wheels, I'll put them on the truck, do a photo shoot with them, do the video. They'll immediately come back off, put into the bed of my truck, put either these wheels on, or I'll borrow a stock set, and then drive it up to my ceramic coater. That's what I plan on doing with my next set of wheels, because like, especially when you go higher end like I'm going, which I want is like probably about $3,000 to $4,000 for a set of wheels before you put tires on it. Like, you need to think about protecting it. Yes, you want to throw them on the truck and make them look good and whatnot, and I totally understand that, but you also got to think about the investment part of it, to where you want to make them last and stay long. Don't get me wrong, I've taken care of these black wheels as best I can. It's also, this truck's my driver, and I'm very proud, but it's just, like I said before in the video, guys, it shows so much stuff. Black looks so good on this truck, but like people say on Instagram, you don't know what a truck looks like until you're up close and personal. Photos and videos hide a lot of things. But like I told you in the last video, what I have to do with my body and the paint correction, I want to be real with you all. I want you all not to make the same mistakes I did. So like I said, guys, comment down below if you've had any issues with KMC wheels, just the paint in general, or the wheels in general. I'm not saying they're a bad wheel whatsoever, but the way these things scratch kind of makes me wonder if the paint, something was wrong with the paint when they painted these wheels, or however they did it. But anyways, guys, I want to thank you all so much for watching this video. If you liked the video, leave a like. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Join the Trucks and Water family. We're constantly growing and changing and trying new and better things. I hope you all have a great day, and remember, never give up on your dreams.